Hi folks, Brendon Greve from Motoryachts Unlimited here. This morning I'm on board a Four Winds Vista 318, which is a 2006 model sport cruiser. Features the small block V8 5 litre Volvo Penta engines, which are about 280 horsepower each, and they push this along very comfortably at 20 knots, and I guess you probably do 35 knots if you opened her up. Some of the features on this boat include the marine deck cork flooring in the cockpit here and out on the swim board. She also has a stainless steel barbecue rail on the back. Now there's also a little tender that comes with the boat, and she fits on some snap davits, and the tender leans up against that stainless steel barbecue rail. Downstairs in this boat you've got two sleeping areas, a midship right underneath me, there's a double, and there's a double up the front. And there's a faux leather lounge on the port side downstairs here, and that converts into a bigger single. It has a separate toilet and shower. It's a wet head, so the bathroom, the shower recess is actually over the top of the toilet, which is standard on this size boat. Some really nice features on this though. She's got a 240 volt Kohler generator on board, and air conditioning, microwave oven, electric stove, and two fridges on board. Up on the bow there's an electric winch which is controlled from the helm here, and that's a Maxwell winch with a delta anchor. So let me take you for a run.